red, pink, sky blue, purple, blue, brown, green, yellow. That's so many colors. Mix them together. How did you make them? All you have to do, get some pasta. Can I use spaghetti? No, we need a tube, so it has to be penne. Whatever, put the penne in the cup. Yeah, but these penne are boring, like you. So we gotta make them colorful. Get a string, tie a knot. Let's choose our favorite colors. Sky blue, because it's happy. Yellow, like a school bus. Chocolate! Orange, like autumn. Pink, like a rose. White, like sheep. Purple, like grape. White, like snow. Blue, like a happy bluebird. Great job. Keep going until you have lots of penne. Oh, that is so many different colors. Even though all the colors are different, together they are amazing. Tie another knot so you can wear it. Let's call this a friendship pasta necklace. Yeah, let's all be friends. See you next time.